Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer Kim and welcome to my McDaniel School Librarian Portfolio website. This portfolio is based on the 5 ALA AASL standards for initial preparation of school librarians. Standard 1, Teaching for Learning. Standard 2, Literacy and Reading. Standard 3, Information and Knowledge. Standard 4, Advocacy and Leadership. Lastly, Standard 5, Program Management and Administration. My artifacts are evidence that best exemplifies the elements. Here are a few of my favorite artifacts that I will highlight. In Standard 1.3, my peers and I created an in-service presentation to model, share, and promote technology tools that enhance vocabulary instruction. We noticed that in all of our SID plans, increasing reading comprehension was the focus. So we presented 3 digital tools to help in that area: Capstone Library, Lino, and FreeRice. We shared features of the tools and demonstrated on how to use them in a classroom setting. This artifact shows how I can become a collaborative partner with other educators to achieve school improvement goals. In Standard 2.1, Literature, I'm proud of my children's bibliography. This document lists high-quality picture books, fiction and nonfiction books, magazines, and books on autism. I've also included a summary of each professional source I use for my reading selection. By creating this list, it helped me familiarize myself with quality titles to support reading for lifelong learning. Lastly, Standard 4.4 Advocacy is my favorite one. I created a makerspace proposal for my current school. This required identifying stakeholders, developing an action plan that required specific steps, timeline, and evaluation. I enjoyed using a variety of tools such as Adobe Spark and DocHub to create campaign materials such as makerspace presentation and a rotation schedule to show how I will implement makerspace activities in my school. Thank you so much for your consideration. Feel free to explore the rest of my website. If you have any questions, click on Contact Mrs. Kim in the About section.